This video tutorial I will explain what is HTTP response. We can think of HTTP like the language. Using HTTP, computers used to talk to each other over the internet. It is how computers share the information. Now we will see what is response. When you ask for something, the response happens. When you send a letter, you wait for the reply. Like that, in digital world, when you ask website for something, the website sends you the response. So when you visit a website like YouTube or Google or do something on an app, your computer or phone asks the website computers for information. The website's computer then sends back the response. This response can be a web page, video, picture, or any kind of information you requested. In simple terms, HTTP response is like getting reply from a website when you ask for something on the internet. It is how you see the web pages, images, videos, and all the content online. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.